Hi guys, so I want to look at some of the new comments in version 5.5, and today it's gonna be surface offset. So I'm gonna hit and create a new project, and we're gonna create I'm gonna zoom in to 50 meters, and I'm gonna, let's say, create polyline line string, and I'm gonna do on layer 0, that's okay, and here we go. So with 100 elevation, it's a little bit laggy here on this is getting an old computer. 150, I'm gonna create a huge difference, so 100, 150 and 100. So this is going to be our surface. Let's create a surface. So this is, let's say, test OG. We're going to make it nice and green and hit OK. So this is our surface. Let's take a look at the 3D view. I bended it on purpose so we can have nice and see when we're offsetting, so it offsets everything. So under surfaces, obviously there is a new comment called offset surface, as you see. Let's hit that. Once we hit the offset surface, we get this comment pane, which is the reference surface. Because we have only one, it's gonna automatically select it. I'm gonna go test, let's call it SG, like subgrade. Now it's asking us vertical offset, so let's go minus 25 meters. And we do not have any clipping boundary, so let's hit OK, and we should see offset surface. So we created a surface below 25 meters. So when we hit the properties, so this is our original ground, and this is our SG, which was 25 below. And now let's create one above. So we're gonna select back to our OG, and we're gonna go 50 above and call it our test finish grade. And when we hit OK, we see it created a surface above. So now we have 3 surfaces. Like I said, this can be useful when you're having creating a subgrades or multiple surfaces for your machines, or just even for comparison of volumes. Also, if you would like to copy a surface, obviously you can just leave the vertical offset 0, and this would create the same surface, copy of a surface on exactly with the same elevations and properties. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.